I'm going to show you how to lubricate your polyurethane control arm bushings. We manufacture control arm bushings to replace OEM and our aftermarket arm. They do come pre-lubricated. However, with time and age and wear and tear, they do need to be re-lubricated to reduce noise and anything like that. When your control arms come or the actual control arm bushings come, either way, we pre-lubricate inside the sleeve here to keep it from squeaking, and then we also lubricate the face. Don't be afraid to put a lot on there. The more the better. It will last a lot longer and go a long ways. If you have control arms, we pre-lube the bushings. If you have the bushings only and replacing your OEM parts with our polyurethane bushings, open up the packet, a little strip on the inside on the sleeve, and then also on the faces and also around the perimeter of the bushing, and then install your bushings. After you've driven your car, whether it's a year, 6 months, however much, depending on how hard you drive and what conditions you drive in, they will need to be re-lubricated if you do experience any squeaking. What we use, which works really well, is this red and tacky spray grease from Lucas. It's a great product. It is a little messy, however, the more you spray on it, the longer it'll last in the long run. I'm going to show you how to spray it on there, and then you're going to work it in by just flexing the suspension or driving it, and it'll work its way into the bushing and reduce the squeaking again. And just like that, you know, if you just spray around the outside of the bushing where it meets the face of upper strut mount, and this also applies to the lower control arm bushings where the bushing face meets the subframe, just spray around it, top, bottom, and then what you do next, you can either go drive it or you can just jump on the side of the car and just rock it side to side, and it'll just work its way into the grooves, and that will reduce your squeaking.